Hello everyone, I'm back. This is Vita Chatgpt as usual. I want to welcome you back to my channel. Thank you for viewing. Those who are liking, thank you so much. Those who are subscribing, I really love you so much. And today I'm back. Just like I told you, this channel is all about Google apps and their applications. Guess what we have today? What I have today in store for you. Today I'm going to talk about YouTube and ChatGPT. Yeah, you didn't hear wrong. I said YouTube. Okay, so some of the Google applications we have automatically, some of you know it, that's YouTube and ChatGPT, and that's what you're going to talk about today. I'm going to begin with ChatGPT. When I talk about ChatGPT, what comes into your mind? Automatically, ChatGPT, it's also like an artificial intelligence. It's artificial intelligence, and it is very important. It is very important. I would advise you to use it in case you're searching for something. If you need to know anything about something that you really have no idea about, I would encourage you to use it. Sometimes you feel like you want to write a letter but you don't have the words. Some of us don't trust our English, but if you go there, just tell them, you type in what you really need a letter about this, give me an example. They'll direct you how to write that letter. You want to write a memo, they'll direct you how to write it. And the good thing with it, they have language. The why it is a nice app that I would recommend for you guys to use. It has language translations. So the problems of language barriers are not common there. They will transfer for you. They will put in a language that you easily understand. You can type in a language that you easily understand, or you can even write a word that you didn't understand in a certain type and tell them to transfer for you in a language that you understand. It has automated customer support. Content is general, and the content is summarized. For ChatGPT, there is creative writing, conversations, it is educational, it helps in research. ChatGPT can help you research. It provides some of the resources that you really need for your research. It is accessible. ChatGPT can be accessed by anyone, anywhere you are. If you have your phone, just go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and your PC, just go to any web browser and search for ChatGPT. You're going to easily get it. It is for entertainment. It can generate jokes. It can sketch and many others. So I know you may be saying, how can I access ChatGPT? For my sake, I'm going to give you an example. If you are using a mobile, you can go to Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone, or for the PC, you're going to I'm going to, just like you always know, I use software Edge. I'm going to use software Edge, and let's search. We're going to search chat. That's ChatGPT. Here it is. If you remember the logos in my introduction video, I'm the icons. I think you can see it. So ChatGPT. Then you open. You can use any web browser, any. So ChatGPT gets answers, finds inspiration, be more productive. Get answers, find inspiration, be more productive. It's free of use, and that's the best thing about it. Easy to try. Just ask, and ChatGPT can help with writing, learning, brainstorming, and many more. So let's start now. You can even download the app and have it on your phone. And it's better if you if you want to get, like, how can I say, if you want to get information that is more detailed, like something that is better, I would advise you to sign up or log in. And this is how you log in. You just come and click at the corner, you log in, you enter your email address. I'm going to use this one. Then you continue. If you don't have, you can create an account. Password. Let me use an example. Continue. Something is really wrong with my password. But when you enter the password, automatically when you enter the password, I don't know what is really happening. I think I'm pressing something wrong. But when you enter the password and you press continue, it is going to you're going to log in. And the moment you log in, you can you can easily access the best information. It's a nice app you can try. It's a nice app to use. It's a nice app that can give you It's a nice app, especially when you're doing research for education. I would really advise you to use it. So this is how it works when you say get started. And here you can you type in what you want, and they're giving you an example of some of the questions here. You type in the kind of question you have, and after you'll just come here and click on forward. Then they'll send you the details. So the next thing I'm going to talk about, that is going to be YouTube. Yeah, I know I told yeah, YouTube. That's what we are viewing from. I know most of you have used YouTube, you've watched videos, you've done a lot on YouTube. But have you ever sat down and thought about creating your own channel on YouTube? It is a very good experience and you should try it. So how do we create a YouTube channel? Yeah, YouTube is one of the Google apps that is very nice. Some of us, we understand better when we look at the pictures, and this is the app I would really recommend you to use, especially if you're in fall in that category. Actually, most of us, that's how we understand when a teacher explains, especially for people who are you do research and stuff, you're learning. If a lecturer teaches something or a teacher explains something in class, yes, there is some, but you're going to understand a bit. But if you watch a video, then you're going to understand it better. And people explain in different ways. You may get a tutorial, a teacher or a lecturer on YouTube who is going to explain it even better than your teacher, and you may understand it better. So for YouTube, most of the times you can go to your desktop, it is always there. But for me, I'm going to use my web browser, and for your phones, most of the times it's always there. I search for YouTube, and that is YouTube. Yeah, then you click. So this is it. This is YouTube. Just like I was telling you, you can search. They have a lot of videos. There's a lot. You want to learn how to cook, you want to learn how to you can enter and be like anything. Football fans, you search for football, they're going to bring for you anything you feel like, anything that you want to search about. And for and just like I told you, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like, follow. Yeah, YouTube is a really nice Google app, and I would love you to try it out. Open up your Google channel, open up your Google account. Yeah, so for opening up a YouTube channel, you just have to sign in to your Google account. So you go to click sign in, then you can use a username and a profile pic, and add a banner image or a bio description. Customize your channel settings, and that is for the PC. Then for the mobile phones, open the YouTube app, tap sign in and enter your Google account, then tap on the profile picture, then create the channel. Use a username and profile you choose a username and a profile picture. And some of the tips I'll give you when it comes to creating a YouTube channel: choose a unique and memorable username, use a clear and recognizable profile picture. Yeah, like mine is recognizable and clear. optimize your bio and keywords for search, regularly upload high quality content, and engage with your audience. Yeah, those are some of my tips when it comes to creating a YouTube channel. Thank you so much for viewing. I love you so much. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord protect you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. For your comments and feedback are very important to me. I really need to get to know what you expect to see and find on this channel. I really can't wait to meet you again. Thank you. Bye bye. I remain Desire.